And hello there, kind of fans and folks. This is Mixos, and welcome to an episode of Mixo Wars Unboxings. And yes, again, this is something different from my usual unboxings. What we have here again, from my previous video of opening a Gundam card game with the Gundam Assemble Set. Now I have here is the Premium Card Collection Gundam Assemble Set, which is for Gundam GQuuuuuux. Yes, and you can see in the box art, here it is. We have the GQuuuuuux here. We have the Red Gundam, the cards for the premium card collection for the Gundam card game, and of course the miniatures for the GQuuuuuux, Red Gundam, and the G-Fred. And off to the side is just this one, and onto the back again, information about the card game and of course the Gundam Assemble. Now opening and seeing what's inside of this one. Of course, this is not a starter set, but a premium card collection. So once again, what we have inside is this one. We're in. On one side, we have the miniatures for the Gundam Assemble, which is again with those three, which is the GQuuuuuux, the Red Gundam, and the G-Fred, all here. And here are the bases. And off to the other side is the premium card collection for the GQuuuuuux. I think there's a G-Fred there, a Red Gundam, all for the Gundam card game. We have a playmat here for the Gundam card game, and of course here it is a free pack. And opening and seeing what's inside it. Oh, let's be careful. I don't know what's inside. We have an EX unit. I'm not sure what is this. If this is a command card or a unit card, or just something. I forgot who this is from the anime. I am really sorry. But of course, we can see here and inside is we have the cards. Let me try to get it out. Here it is. So GQuuuuux is there. Again, also the Japanese version. So I don't think I have the English versions of this yet, but hey, let's see and take a look. What are the cards of this premium card collection? So we have the GQuuuuux, two of those. We have the Red Gundam, two of those. We have the G-Fred, two of those G-Freds here. We have MAV units, or MAV pairs, as you can see in the anime. That's what they call it. Red Gundam, a unit token for the Red Gundam, token for the GQuuuuux, and the token for the G-Fred. And of course, this promo card, which is an EX. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, it's also a token card, right? And there you have it, kind of fans and folks. That was what's inside this premium card collection of the Gundam Assemble set, as well as with the Gundam card game set for the PC02A, which is the premium card collection for Gundam GQuuuuux. And this is Mixor saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, commenting and sharing. And until next time, see you and thank you.